Okay, guys, got something special on the menu. These wheels, we custom painted these wheels. They were a solid black. We did them in black and white. In less than 2 months, the customer hit a curb and totally jacked them up. So take a look. They're bent here. These are $1,000 a piece wheels, if not more. I mean, these are the real deal. These are Forgiatis. You look at this wheel. You see the bend in that one. It's all curved up. Over here, look at the bend here. Now we're going to have to take the 3-piece loose. We're going to take the bends out, repaint the barrel, and put the white stripe back in the wheel. Now let me show you something that's truly remarkable. Now, these wheels here looks like a factory finish. We actually painted these wheels. Guys, if you got chrome wheels, or the chrome's chipping, or the chrome's faded, or the chrome's peeling, don't throw your wheels away. The wheel itself is still great. What we can do, this was actually chrome. We powder coated the wheels white. Then we came back and we painted inside of each one of those pockets black. This is a two-tone wheel now. You notice in the barrel, we powder coated all the way to the back. So these wheels are awesome. Here's another one. You can see we still got the tape work on it where we painted the wheel. Now, we do a lot of custom work. These are Shanties. The guy was going to throw them away. We gave him a better option. Show something else on the menu what we do, okay? This is going to be some pretty meticulous work, but once we're done with it, it's going to look like new. Here we have a American Force huge wheel. It was bent in the barrel. We took the bend out of the barrel. Coming over here, here's the American Force, the second, the twin that goes with it. That's a pretty big wheel. Now, this guy took this rim to a wheel repair company. They said it was fixed. They didn't fix it properly, so we have to fix it up for him. Here we have, these are some Jaguar wheels. We're getting ready to burn them so we can powder coat them and do the finished product on it. So if you want your wheels custom painted, I'm gonna show you guys what custom paint will do for you. This is custom paint, 2-tone, 3-tone. Bring it to Houston Wheel Repair. We'll fix it up for you. You will truly you'll stand out. No one else will have the same wheel as you. So if you want to be an individualistic type of guy where no one else is rolling around looking like you, give us a call, 713-942-0294. HoustonWheelRepair.org, mywheeldoctor.com. This is another reason why we are the best.